I am suffering from this disease, a chronic severe disease called shopping. As soon as I see this all luxurious product, and I couldn't control myself. This is actually what happened to me as soon as I see Fendi shop across the road, and I decided to have something for myself. So today I'm going to open this Fendi product with you all. Stay tuned until the end. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is all about a Fendi product. A couple of days ago I bought a Fendi product and I would like to share with you all. And believe me guys, these products are very luxurious product and high quality, and all the Hollywood star and then the influencer using this product, and I also thought about why not to have this product. So without delay, let's open my Fendi today with you all. Which one shall I start first, this one or this one? Why not from a small one, guys? Yes. Can you guess what actually inside in this little cute bag? Means in box, not a bag but a box. So this Fendi is from Romana. Its Min is from Italy. So guess what inside? Maybe you are right. Look. This is actually sunglass. You know what? I like their packaging very badly. I'm not gonna chalk this box because I am in love with this box. So this is Fendi sunglass. Look at the design. Can you see, guys? Can you see the F is bending? And I'm gonna wear as well, and you can see. The material quality is very good. Actually this product doesn't have good any polarized, but never mind, I like the other as well. I like Fendi sunglass, and I think this is matching with my personality. So I'm excited to open another box. Look at this box, also very cute, and you're gonna be surprised what actually I bought. Look at their packaging, high quality, guys. To be honest, every high quality product, their packaging is awesome. And by the way, this is Sol, as you can see, this scarf, because I always had a dream to do this style with this scarf. And look at how pretty this color is. Look at how pretty. Actually this is a 90 by 90. Can you see, guys? This is 90 by 90, and it's written Fendi, and this is silk one. I don't know what to tell you. This branded product are really promising. All the branded products are very promising, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna style this one as well in next video. Hey guys, if you like this video, please share with your friends, family, and do not forget to subscribe the button below, and do not forget to comment how do you like about my video. And I promise I'll come soon to see you all again with the new product, with the new feeling. I don't know what to tell you. And also I'm gonna make video about how I'm gonna use this scarf in different proposes, in the multi proposes. I think we really can use this scarf. It's a 90 by 90. We can use in different style. You can use as a scarf, you can use as a t-shirt, you can even use as a multi-propose, So until that time, see you. Bye bye. Lots of love.